Good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the garage. It is Saturday the 6th of April and there has been a small development in the world of the Townmate. So this is just a very short update video just to tell you what's happening. But before I do that, I just want to say thank you to Ian. You know who you are. You are the previous owner of this beautiful Townmate and you've sent me some cables that you found and a Haynes manual. So thanks for that. They will be put to good use. And I look forward to showing you the finished project. In the last video you might remember we did get this thing running, but it was idling super high. Well, I've had a little bit of a tinker with it and managed to get it idling somewhat sensibly, so I'll tell you what a problem I found in a little while, but for now let's just see how she's running at the moment. So there we are then, as you can no doubt see and no doubt hear, she is running reasonably well. It's not absolutely perfect at the moment, but she's not properly set up. But she's set up and running well enough for me to be quite happy at the moment. So I think what I will do, and it would be rude not to, let's see if she'll run up and down the driveway. So there we are, you can see she idles and runs quite nicely, and you might be wondering what the problem was. Well, as is often the way, I was the problem. If you remember in one of the previous videos, I made some gaskets for the carburetor, and I'd cut them from material that was a little bit too thin, which meant that air was getting sucked into the carburetor and the bike was running too lean. So all I've done is I've put some thicker material in and put the carburetor back on. I kicked the bike over and she fired and idled quite nicely. So I think that was a simple fix, which I'm happy about, and one that was entirely my fault in the first place. What's next for the Townmate then? Well, you can see that she'll run and she idles and she will move under her own steam. So I'm happy enough now that I know that the engine and everything works to start the restoration proper. So it will be a case now of dismantling the bike and really inspecting everything, giving everything a good clean and replacing anything that needs replacing, and then eventually painting it and putting it back together. And then after that, I guess we have some adventures. So that's it, that's the end of this little video update. Thanks for watching this little brief video. If you've got anything to say, as ever, just leave a comment below. Remember to subscribe if you want to follow the Townmate or any other projects that we do. And we've now got a Facebook page, so if you want to join us on Facebook, you can come and say hello, have a chat with us, and hopefully we shall see you there. And I mustn't forget, we've now got stickers available, so if you want to make it better sticker, you can go down, follow the link that's in the description below, and you'll be taken to our little web store where you can buy the stickers. They're good for on your helmet, they're good for on your bike or on your toolbox, and all the money gets put back into the channel and helps support projects like this one. So if you want to buy one, that's how to do it. If not, cool. Either way, I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ra!